Introducing UADD, the ultimate business card app. Create and personalize unlimited contact cards. You may send cards via any messaging apps, as an example, via WhatsApp. Your new contacts will receive a link from where they can download your card to their contact book or their UADD phone book. You can also send your cards via QR code. UADD automatically creates your card QR code. UADD is the ultimate business card. Every time you edit a card, the change made is automatically updated in every UADD phone book that has that card. The same will happen with the UADD cards you receive from your contacts. Any alteration made to the card will automatically be altered in your UADD phone book. Download UADD now. Available in all app stores.